Hello, my name is James Graydon. Work for ProMed Healthcare Financing, and I've also started a new endeavor as well called Finance University. And what Finance University is about, it's about getting out financial information to underserved communities, whether that's managing the family budget, putting a child through college, or taking your business to the next level. Finance University aims to do those things for individuals. I also started another venture called DonGray Capital. You can see that at dongraycapital.org, dongraycapital.com. And it's a brokerage site. And basically, if you have a need for acquiring finance for your small business, I can help you with that. I can acquire you anywhere from a micro loan of $5,000 to a substantial loan of anywhere from $5 million and up. You can fill out an application on it right away, and it comes directly to me. I'll get your information, contact you within 24 hours, and we can be off to the races. To have a business plan. It sounds cliched. Everybody always talks about it. Have a business plan. You have to have this. I'll tell you why it's super important. The business plan is going to let you know whether that idea in your head makes sense once you've written it out and put it on paper. It's going to let you know, is there a viable market? Are there individuals who actually want to buy my product or use my service? And it's going to help you really assess the marketplace. You go back to your business plan and you look it over. It acts as both a psychological reinforcement that I've thought this out, I've planned this out, tough roads ahead, but I'm going to get through this. And it also helps you to identify, okay, did I do this, this, and this? Perhaps this section, I didn't fulfill it to the best of my abilities, or maybe I have to change it a little bit. Well, now you know. Now you can go and you can change that piece. So it's going to provide that reference point to where you get to a point in your business, perhaps growth stagnates. What do I do now? Go to your business plan. What was your original plan and idea for it? Really, it's been the last 3 years, home health care, nursing homes, doctor practices. There's been a big push by them to, hey, I need funding, either to bridge my payroll, cover my expenses, or to grow. So that's been a big trend. You're seeing also, since the financial recession hit in 2008, you saw a lot of banks get tighter with their lending policies. So even if you are a small business owner and you have a solid business, it's tough to get money. Companies to where no longer do you walk into your bank branch to acquire funding. You can go online, you can answer questions about your business, you upload your bank statements into your business, and once all that stuff is uploaded, they tell you how much you qualify for, and they can deposit the money in your account within 24 to 48 hours. Keep in mind, the cost is much greater than a bank when we're talking about this online lending alternative finance, because the underwriting that they're doing is much less. They're simply looking at your company's cash flow and ability to repay. They're not really going in depth and looking to see, can you support this type of debt? Are you in a good position to experience enough growth to pay us back? Some companies do take that into account. Others are a little bit looser on that. So what you're finding is a lot of small businesses go into these online lending platforms in the industry to get funding. There are a lot of broker companies such as myself that are helping small businesses to make these transitions to this online lending. And what I can tell you about that is that with DonGray Capital, one of the things that I talked about earlier was focusing not just on giving you the money, but on consulting you with the money.